Hi, how are you? This is juice, right? Non-alcoholic. No alcohol. Okay, thank you. So on this side we have the evolution of Nismo. They're showing you how it started with this car right here in 1985 and then 1989, 96, 97 and then this one in 1999, 2021, the Nissan Patrol NISMO, one of the most popular cars here in the UAE. Alright guys, so right now we are heading to the press conference.
So, ladies and gentlemen, our dear guests, we are so happy for you to be with us today. And also, thank you so much for joining us from everywhere, whether it's in the UAE, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Kuwait, Oman, and across the entire region for a very, very special event, which is the global reveal and unveil of the all-new Nissan Patrol NISMO and the regional debut of the all-new Z NISMO. So we've got a really exciting program for you today. It's starting right now with a press conference where you will be literally the first in the world to see the all-new Nissan Patrol NISMO. And of course, you'll get a glimpse of the Z NISMO as well. And then after that, we're going to have a Q&A session where I know you're going to have a lot of questions for our speakers. After the conference, you'll be welcome to shoot all the content that you would like, whether it's here in the conference area or in the pre-function area. We've got a lot of content creation opportunities that we really invite you to take advantage of. And then after that, around 8 p.m., we'll invite you to come into the main hall where we will basically be inviting you to witness the global unveil of Patrol, but also NISMO. Because you'll be the first to see the cars, and the fact that you have full access to your phones, to your equipment, you can take all the photos and videos that you want. We just ask that you please hold until the embargo is lifted at 8:30, where you'll be able to share the content with the entire world.
So delivering vehicles characterized by precise aerodynamic, race-tuned handling and dynamic styling, all of which are aimed to enhance the driving pleasure, passion, engagement, and of course, on the track and off the racetrack.
And the reason why you're seeing these red rings everywhere is because when you buy any Nissan car that's a NISMO, you become a part of this red ring society, which is like an exclusive society only for NISMO owners. Thank you. Thank you. So we found a coffee station and these guys are going to make a nice cup of cappuccino for us. So good, man, just what we needed.
Here you go.
NISMO takes the energy off the track and brings it to the road.
Alright guys, I guess that's it for today. What did you think about the launch event? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to give this video a like. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and stay tuned for more videos. Also, if you enjoyed this car content, then a like and a comment will let me know if I should make more of this for you guys, and which car should I review next, or which car do you guys want to see next. Drop everything in the comments below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Take care, stay safe. Bye bye, Allah Hafiz. Okay, just one last thing before I leave. I have to go grab my customized car freshener pack. So let's go.